Right, you lot. Did you know that one little mistake with your car, just one, could cost you more than a luxury holiday in the south of France? Yes, seriously. Forgetting something as simple as a fluid top-up, or ignoring a dashboard warning light, could send your beloved motor into mechanical meltdown faster than you can say MOT failure. Still not convinced? Picture this. You're cruising along the motorway, tunes blaring, aircon set just right, when suddenly your engine starts coughing like it just ran a marathon in a sandstorm. Why? Because you skipped your last oil change thinking, it can wait. It can't. So buckle up, because today we're diving into the 10 absolute worst mistakes car owners make and how you can avoid them like the plague. Welcome back to Top Revs TV, your pit stop for petrol heads, car lovers, and anyone who thinks their car deserves better than being treated like a takeaway delivery scooter, whether you're driving a Bentley or a beat-up hatchback from 2006 with a dodgy passenger window and a permanent smell of takeaway curry. This list applies to you. Cars aren't just machines. They're your daily companions, your freedom, your late-night getaway vehicles, your weekend warriors. But unfortunately, many of us treat them with the kind of neglect usually reserved for expired milk in the back of the fridge. Let's change that. Let's look at the 10 worst crimes you can commit against your car and why they make even the worst reality TV decisions seem wise by comparison. Mistake number 10. Ignoring warning lights. You know that little orange light on your dashboard that looks like a submarine's periscope having a nervous breakdown? That's not a suggestion. It's your car's way of saying, "Oi, something's wrong." Ignoring it is the automotive equivalent of ignoring a fire alarm in your house because you're in the middle of a Netflix binge. Modern cars have sensors that detect issues before they become disasters. So when that check engine light blinks at you like an annoyed teacher, take action. Plug in a diagnostic scanner, or better yet, visit someone with a spanner and a certificate. Early detection saves wallets. Mistake number 9. Skipping regular oil changes. Oil isn't just slick stuff that makes things slippery. It's what keeps your engine alive. Without it, metal rubs on metal, and before you know it, you've cooked your engine like a turkey at Christmas. Change your oil every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or sooner if you've got an older car that leaks more than a political aide after 3 pints. And don't cheap out on the oil. Use what the manufacturer recommends. Bonus points if you switch to synthetic. It's like giving your car a spa day. Mistake number 8. Overlooking tyre pressure. Tyres, round, rubbery, often ignored. Yet they're the only parts of your car actually touching the road. Underinflated tyres make your car feel like it's been hitting the donuts too hard. Sluggish, slow, and heavy on fuel. Overinflated? It'll bounce around like a goat on a trampoline. Check your pressure monthly and before long trips, not just with a quick kick. Use an actual pressure gauge. Look inside your door for the recommended PSI and stick to it like your life depends on it, because, well, it sort of does. Mistake number 7. Using the wrong fuel type. Unless your car specifically asks for premium, don't give it the liquid gold. It's a waste of money and does absolutely nothing for performance unless your engine was designed for it. It's like feeding caviar to a house cat. Unappreciated, pointless. Stick to what's in the manual. Oh, and never ever mix diesel and petrol. That's not just a mistake, that's a full-blown catastrophe. Mistake number 6. Neglecting brake maintenance. Brakes are what stop you from careening into the back of a lorry on the M1. They're not optional. If they squeal, grind, or feel soft, get them checked. Pads wear down, fluids degrade, lines crack. You want stopping power when you need it, not spongy pedal and prayer? Have your brakes inspected every 20,000 miles. Or if your car starts making noises that resemble a haunted house. Brake work can be expensive, but it's nothing compared to the cost of not stopping in time. Mistake number 5. Forgetting to check fluids. Your engine drinks more than just oil. Coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, brake fluid. They all matter. Ignore them, and your car might start leaking more than a soap opera villain. Most of these are easy to check. Pop the hood, check levels and colours, and top them off as needed. If something smells burnt, feels gritty, or looks like it came out of a horror film, it's time for a flush or replacement. Mistake number 4. Driving aggressively. Yes, we all love a bit of spirited driving, but every time you floor it from a red light like you're in a Fast and Furious sequel, you're taking years off your car's life. Harsh acceleration, hard braking, and whipping around corners like you're on the Nürburgring? Not clever. Your suspension hates it. Your transmission hates it. Even your fuel economy quietly weeps. Save the heroics for track days. Drive like a civilized human, and your car will thank you by not falling apart. Mistake number 3. DIY repairs without knowledge. I get it. You watched a YouTube video and now think you're a certified technician. You're not. I once tried replacing a timing belt in a parking lot. The result? A tow truck, and a lecture from a very annoyed mechanic. Tinkering is fine for basics, bulbs, wipers, checking oil, but if it involves removing engine mounts or anything electrical, leave it to the professionals. Otherwise, you might end up with a garage ornament instead of a car. Mistake number 2. Ignoring strange noises. Clunk, rattle, screech. Your car isn't beatboxing, it's pleading, that noise you're ignoring. It's something coming loose, breaking, or failing entirely. Don't drown it out with louder music. Find the noise, investigate it. Better yet, let a mechanic do it. Catching a problem early could save you from a breakdown in the middle of nowhere, or an epic repair bill. Mistake number 1. Neglecting regular maintenance schedules. Here it is, the big one, the cardinal sin. Ignoring scheduled maintenance is like refusing to brush your teeth and being shocked when they fall out. Timing belts, filters, fluids, spark plugs. They all have lifespans. Stick to your car's service schedule. It's in the manual. Follow it like a roadmap to mechanical salvation. Yes, it costs money, but ignoring it, that costs a lot more. So, there you have it, the 10 worst things you can do to your car, short of setting it on fire and pushing it off a cliff. Each one is avoidable. Each one is a ticket to longevity, reliability, and fewer "sorry I'm late, my car died" excuses. If you've made some of these mistakes, don't worry, we all have. But starting today, give your car the love it deserves, or at the very least, don't treat it like an old microwave. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button like a worn-out brake pedal, subscribe for more mechanical wisdom, and drop your worst car horror story in the comments. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it running, and for heaven's sake, check your oil.